How to change your Spotify username. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's video, I will show you how you can change your Spotify username. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now it's very easy. First, just make sure to update the Spotify app. And once you have updated Spotify, I want you to go over, open it up. Make sure that you are logged into your account. And after you log in, obviously you'll be able to see that this is how it is actually going to look like. In order to change your Spotify username, tap on the gear icon which you see on the top right hand side, which is the settings icon. Once you tap on the gear icon, here you'll be able to see your current name. So just tap on it on the view profile section. And once you are on your profile page, all you have to do is tap on the edit profile button that you see. As soon as you tap on edit profile over here, you want to go ahead and then simply change your name. So currently you can say one of my name. If I want to change it, you can also read there. It says that this could be your first name or a nickname. It's how you will appear on Spotify, and keep in mind the username and name are both same on Spotify, so just make sure to be aware of that as well. Once you're happy with your name, just tap on the save button on the top right, and as soon as you've done that, you can see our name will be successfully saved as well. And that's all it takes to change your Spotify username. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, queries or doubts, make sure to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.